Hello friends, I am Manisha Niphade, Junior College Teacher, Subject English, working in XII.Arts Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borawke College, Shri Rampur. Today we are going to take the lesson 3.2 from the section 3rd of the syllabus. It is related to writing skill. See, the title of the lesson is Do Schools Really Kill Creativity? See, when we learn the lesson or when we learn the points in this lesson, we can understand what they want to say exactly. Again, in the bracket, the title is different, mind mapping. See, exactly we want to learn mind mapping in this lesson. What is this mind mapping? I would like to tell you the example. See, when we speak about college, our college, lot of things come into our mind. When we see college, we see about the things, various things, the things like students, teacher, principal, benches, classes, online teaching, these all things come into mind and it is our map. Mind map. See, mind mapping is the cognitive process. Cognitive means it happens in our mind only. In our mind, we visualize the things. We think about the college, though we are at our home and we are thinking about college, we remember these all things which are related to students, teacher, principal, college classes, online lectures, office, admissions and things like that. This is the mind map which we create at our home. See, this is the very simple information about the mind mapping. Let us see what is exactly mind map means. Introduction. Mind map is a diagram used to visually organize information. See, visually, mentally, we organize all information in our mind. We put them in sequence and this organization is called mind mapping in very simple language. Created around single concept. This single concept means just we have seen concept is college and around this concept we remind these all things which are related about the college. This is the mind map. Let us see the definition exactly. What do you mean by the mind map? See, mind map is unique thinking. It's not the common. Every person is unique and his thinking level is different. It is the unique thinking tool that will bring you out your natural genius. Yes, friends, here your natural genius is going to present in your mind map. What you are showing in mind map, every person is making his own different mind map. See, when you will think about college, some students will remind the thing like admissions. Some students will emphasize the online lectures. See, various things are there and they are according to your intelligence or according to your genius. See, your natural genius which is within you. At the beginning I have told you, this is the cognitive process which happens into your mind. Natural genius and enable you to shine in every area of your life. See, mind map is not limited to education only. In which field you go, everywhere, in your business, at your home or in every field, you can use mind map. It will be helpful for you. See, in every area of your life. Though you are thinking about the family life, you are making the list of grocery, you can make the mind map, what I have to do, which things I have to buy, where I have to put my preference. These all things happen in your mind. That's why the writer has given in the definition, to shine in every area of your life, means mind map is going to help you in every area in your whole life. Means you have to well prepared with this mind map, means you have to become habitual to make this mind map, and it will be helpful in your whole life. Now, which things are necessary to make the mind map? There are tools which are going to help you. See, which things are there? Different shapes. You can draw different shapes to see, to draw the various things. You want to show that this picture, or you can use the boxes, see, shapes, arrows to show the direction. You can use arrows to show the, you can use lines, boxes. You can use connectors to connect two things, as well as balloons to show various things around that central concept. You can use balloons also. Curved lines to show the map of various things. These all things are useful when you make the mind map. Now, benefits of mind mapping. See, at the beginning I have told you that mind map is very useful in your everyday's routine, in your daily life. Why? When you make anything, at first you visualize that thing. Which work you want to do, you visualize at first. That's why it is useful always for you. Now see, what are the benefits of mind mapping? First is, it enables meaningful learning. See, when you are learning the things and just your teacher is reading the lessons one by one, you will not understand. But if you show the pictures, if you create the various boxes, lines, arrows, and show you the persons, that map can very easily understandable, means it makes your teaching meaningful and your learning and teaching meaningful. Now, mind map helps in memorization and retention. Memorization means when you want to remind the things. See, instead of paragraphs, instead of lessons, you remind the things like map or notes are very easy to remind. They are very helpful to remind. And retention means keep your mind, things which you keep in your mind. See, at the beginning I have told you, this mind map is completely cognitive process. Cognitive means which happens in your mind. You keep these things in your mind. So, if you want to memorize, means remember the things and to keep in your memory these various things, shapes, arrows and balloons, curved lines, they help you to remind these all things. Pictures also, very easily you can remind the pictures. That's why mind map helps you in this memorization and retention the information. Now, see, this mind map is more engaging. When we teach in the class, when we learn or do various activities, very easy, it is engaging. Suppose your teachers are reading the poems and teaching you the lessons line by line, and instead of that, they are drawing the pictures, they are drawing various shapes on the blackboard, they are teaching you through these arrows and things. It will be very helpful and they engage you. How? You continuously watch the blackboard. That's why it becomes more engaging. Mind map is more engaging for you. Next is make complex easier. Complex issues. If you want to learn the mathematics, somewhat complex thing, the physics or chemistry, such a subjects there are some complex issues, and they are very helpful if we use map reading or mind map is there important, because complex issues are very easily shown through this mind map. That's why it makes complex issues quite easier. Now next benefit is ignites creativity. Yes friends, see, the title is, do schools really kill creativity? Creativity means to create new things, to allow your mind to think differently. Yes, this mind map is going to help you to think differently and ignites creativity. When you think that your passage or your learning things you have to put in different shapes, you think in your mind, your creativity is there inspired, means mind map ignites your creativity. Next benefit is it improves your writing. Yes, when you use the mind map, you are writing in very different shapes. You are doing the diagrams there, and it helps to improve your writing. And last use is its flexibility. See, mind map is flexible. You can use various shapes there. You can use pictures. You can write the mathematical calculations. You can show the chemical things there. That's why it's quite flexible, and these all benefits are there. That's why mind map is very useful. Friends, this is very useful tool for you, and when you are learning, not for 12th standard but for your whole life, this process of mind mapping will be helpful for you. And let us continue the next part of mind map in our next video. Thank you for your cooperation.